Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Bingozones B7 Pro Bluetooth headphones, wireless over-ear, 65 hours playtime, foldable, deep bass, HiFi stereo headsets with mic, lightweight memory. Foam soft earmuff, for phone, TV, travel, color beige. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Bingozones B7 Pro Bluetooth headphones. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Always on wireless, always be ready. Experience wireless audio at its best. Our Cute Cream headphones wireless Bluetooth offers stable transmission speed, lower latency, superior audio output, quick pairing, extended 33 feet range, dual device connectivity. Merge acquaintances, and Bluetooth 5.3 technology. Elevate your listening experience with uninterrupted connections and multitasking convenience. Don't miss out, get your Bluetooth wireless headphones today. Unleash true mobility. Stay wirelessly connected. Indulge uninterrupted music for up to 65 hours playtime, 3 times longer than other stereo sound headsets. B7 headphones wireless over-ear with low power consumption technology, enjoy up to 65 hours of playtime. Stay connected with the option of a wired connection using the included 3.5mm audio cable. The perfect choice for extended listening sessions. Lightweight, comfortable, foldable. Unleash audio perfection. Immerse in comfort and convenience with Bluetooth over-ear headphones. Adjustable headband fits any shape. Foldable, lightweight design, 0.7 pounds, for home, office, school, travel, and sports. Soft protein earmuffs with memory foam for lasting comfort. Experience indulgent, lightweight headphones with engineered memory foam. Suitable for all ages, our retractable headsets combine comfort and style seamlessly. Wireless freedom, lifelike sound unleashed. Experience high-quality audio with Bingozones Bluetooth headphones. Enjoy lifelike sound with deep bass, crystal clear treble, and immersive stereo. Stay wirelessly connected with enhanced call quality, noise reduction, and a built-in microphone. Our advanced audio processing ensures exceptional performance. Elevate your sound and enjoy the ultimate audio experience with Bingozones Deep Bass wireless headphones. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.